Most traders don't lose money because their strategy ain't good. They lose money because they keep trading after they should have stopped. Today I'll show you one rule that stopped me from blowing accounts. I stopped at a -2R. No exceptions. If you're new to the channel, I'm John and I've been trading for 5 years plus. I've been doing this live in front of everybody for a long time and I know what I'm talking about. I've seen it all. Listen, this video is not signals. It's not a get-rich scheme or promise. It's risk control. If you can't control your downsides, your upsides doesn't matter. Now you can ask -2R, what does it actually mean? I'm willing to give to the market one fixed amount per trade. If I get 2 full not profit trades in a day, I'm done trading. I don't negotiate with myself. I just log myself out. What does a -2R mean? I'll give an example. A -1R could be $50. So a -1 could be $50. $50 x2, that means $100 that we can give to the market. Nothing more, nothing less. If your 1R is $200, that means that you can give $400 maximum that day to the market. The number doesn't matter. The rule does. You cannot negotiate about it. -2R or log out. Why this rule saved your account? It stops you from going in tilt mode. After 2 not profits, your decision making changes. You think you're still calm, but you start looking for trades and you know you're not calm anymore. You're actually wanting to get back from the market what you just gave. You have to stop doing it. If you keep doing this, you will give more accounts and it will only be a not cheap day for yourself. Point 2, protect yourself against not good conditions. So there are days that the market just wants to chop around or has a raging market. If you're playing a continuation trades system like I do, choppy or ranged markets are not the best moments to start trading. No, even if you have a not good trade that day or 2, it's okay. The next day the market is still there. Stop trading. Point 3, it keeps your system clean. What do I mean? If you keep trading past your limits, you're not testing your strategy anymore, you're just testing your emotions. And you know already, emotions don't belong in a trading journal, don't belong in your trading career. If you want to be trading for a long time, you have to control them. This is one way to control them. If you don't follow your rules and you're trading emotions, you've done it, I can see it, you just gave an again an account. You're watching this to learn, listen. Here are a few tricks that I can give you immediately today. What can prevent you from doing an extra trade? After the first loss, take a 15-minute break, take a walk. After the second loss, lock yourself out. If you're trading a stop, a prop firm, or anything else that has the capacity to actually preset the max loss limit, set it in so that you cannot trade again. And make sure that you also set in to lock out your account. Do this at least for 30 next coming days so that you can implement this strategy for yourself. After one trade, write one sentence, take a walk. Why did I take this trade? If you followed your plan, okay, you can take another trade. If you didn't, stop immediately. You don't even have to go for the second one. If you do want to have a second trade, look again, follow your plan and make sure you stick to it. Third, log your trades. So that means journal them. Make a screenshot before and after. After those 2 losses that you took that day, that's okay, it can happen. It is sometimes happens for me too. That's okay. Make sure you don't break that rule. for more than 2 hours to give to the market at a day, because it's not easy to gain it back afterwards. So screenshot, log, and review that trade. Look at them. Make sure that you actually are doing what you're told. And then the fourth is make sure that you hold yourself accountable. So ask somebody if you're not allowed for yourself, or you know that you have no control over it. Make sure that somebody else can show you the way, or that you have to actually show your account to somebody, that he or she is your accountability partner, that she can hold you responsible, and you have to explain it. It's not easy doing this, but it will stop you and it will prevent you from doing the next. Important, remember, -2 hours on a day is not a not good day. It is a good day because you didn't break your rules. If you're trading extra, you broke your rules and you're creating a bad habit in trading. Now, one of the biggest mistakes that I've seen people ask me is, but what if? That question, what if? Don't do it. And the most question I get is, what if my next setup is the best one? Do you really think the next day won't give you another setup? If you think this way, you have not been long enough in the market. The market has been here before you, and it will be here tomorrow. So my answer to you is, tomorrow there will be another trading day. If you miss this one trade, it's cheap. Breaking this risk rule could be expensive. And not only in money, but also in mindset. If you have been around with me for a while, you know I show my journal every day to everybody. And you know that I stop at -2 trades. It's not always -2 hours. It's actually 2 trades or maybe 3 I can take. It depends on my arc that I give to the market. So here's some proof. I track every hour. My less profitable day is capped at a minus 1.8 hour, I believe, that I have. So it's below my -2 hour, so I protect myself from my rules. That's not luck. That's a rule, and I have to keep doing it. Here's a screenshot of one day that happened. Yesterday, the 5th of 1, 2025, 2026, it also happened. I had a minus 1.5, and I also stopped trading that day. You know what happened afterwards? The biggest trade ever came. Did I take it? No. I stick to my rules because I know it pays over time. Trading is not making money every day. It's making sure that you follow your own rules. If you cannot follow a simple rule, ask yourself, do I really want to trade? These are some things you can do today to protect yourself from giving an account unnecessary back to the market. It's not for me that you have to do it, it's for yourself, because you feel that you need this. Otherwise, you wouldn't here. So do this today. If you're trading a prop firm, make sure you set out a max limit loss on that account. And set also that it has to block you and lock yourself out. Pick a fixed amount of 1 hour. Is it $50, $100, $200? It doesn't matter. Make it fixed to start with. I prefer percentages, but that's a different story. Set a daily limit loss. It doesn't matter if it's -2 hour or -4, but make a daily limit loss. For me, it's -2 hour because I know afterwards it stops myself from actually going in a modus I don't want to be in. Write your stop rules on a sticky note and put them on your screen. So after a not profitable trade, I take a walk, I log my trades, I look, did I follow my setup, did everything was correctly, so have some rules, it will help you too. And if you hit your -2 hour, log your out, journal your trades, and actually ask your accountability partner to make sure that he logs you out too. If you can't follow those -2 hour on a demo, please do not trade live. It will not help. It would only give a not good mindset. In the next episode, I'll show you the rule that I use after a profitable trade. If you want a full framework, start with level 1 pad, playlist, link pinned in description. If you want to follow me and actually make sure that you can grow yourself into a better trader, subscribe, give me a thumbs up, leave a comment if you want my full risk rule setups. This way I can help you too.